Hi guys, Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today we're going to take a walk around a H&H General Duty Car Hauler 7,000 pound GVW steel frame wood deck. So everything you see here is standard equipment. All comes standard with the trailer. You can't see it, but brakes are on both axles as required in the state of Pennsylvania. So a trailer like this is going to weigh in at about 2,000 pounds. It's a 7,000 GVW. It's going to give a net legal payload of about 5,000. You're going to pick up a little bit on the truck side tongue. So we do this commonly in an 18-foot 7,000 pound and a 20-foot 10,000 pound. Other weight ratings and length configurations and that are available, and we may have them in stock. Those are just the two most common. So let's take a walk around this trailer. We'll show you all the standard features. So up front, it's going to have a 2 5/16 inch stamp coupler. Very simple design, similar to what most people are used to, just push down, pull back. It's got a sealed wiring harness. It is a 7-pin blade style, as is common on most all modern vehicles. It's got a setback jack, standard 2,000 pound A-frame bottle jack. Setback jack's nice because if you put your tailgate down, it's not up front where it normally be, and that extra give or take foot or so of length gives you the clearance needed to keep from dinging up your tailgate. Also notice it's got the sand foot in the bottom of the jack, keeps it from going down in the mud. It's got a safety chain holder, standard breakaway. So this particular unit's built fairly heavy for a 7K car trailer. Around these parts anyway, in Pennsylvania, a lot of industries, industry standard would be a 4-inch channel tongue, 4-inch channel frame. This has a 4-inch channel full wrap tongue, and it's got a 5-inch channel main frame. It's a little bit heavier on the framing. Also notice it's got a little bit longer tongue. I would say most I see are about 40 to 42. This one here has probably got another foot on it from normal. It's got a front headache rack. Notice the lights on this are bullet LEDs, your newer style lights. It's got stake pocket tie downs. It's got 2x6 treated pine deck on this one. Instead of the smooth fenders, this has the heavier double broke tread plate fenders, the equipment style. Then it's got the black mod wheel, which gives it a nice look. It's got a fender support coming out to support the fender. Brakes on both axles are standard equipment. It's got a 15-inch 205/75 R15 radial tire, load range C. It's a 6-ply tire. Notice it's got the Easy Lube hubs for an average homeowner to do their own bearing maintenance. Simply take the black cap off. Behind there is a greaser, and you can service your own bearings fairly easily. It's also got the newer style forward adjusting brakes. This style brakes much like a car, self-tension to the proper tolerance, so you always have braking, unlike the old style where you would have to use your spinner wheel to get them adjusted in place. Let's take a look underneath it. So typically on a car trailer, especially 7,000 pound, you're going to get a angle iron cross member, but on these you'll notice it is a structural channel cross member. Another little detail, they do the 2 screws per instead of 1. Got a gusset plate where the tongue comes out. H&H embossed reflector tape. This is a tread plate beaver tail. It's nice on a tread plate if you have something that doesn't operate. Slide right up on the tread plate. Doesn't get caught up if you got an inoperable car or something that's got low headers or similar. It's also got the nicer bullet LED lights, give it a nice clean look. I'm sorry, not the bullet LED, the thin strip LED lights, the clear lens. This gives it a clean, professional looking look. 5-foot ramps are standard. They do allow adjustability all the way across the trailer, sliding the channel. You can put them both together or you can separate them apart. Either way. This trailer is powder coated. They do a nice job with the prep. Standard spare tire mount on the passenger side. Again, this is available in 7, 10, and 14K GVW. Shown here is a 7x18 7,000 pound. Ideal for a small to mid-sized car, smaller, less than half-ton truck, Ford Rangers, Colorados, etc. Works well too for a 20-30 horsepower compact tractor. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, feel free to give us a ring at 717-220-4220, or you can visit us on our website at bestchoicetrailers.com. Thanks for looking.